reported having symptoms of anxiety or depressive disorder during the pandemic. Seeking help isn't always obvious. For some, the best prescription is finding a person who knows what you're going through. Spectrum News 13's Greg Angel takes a look at why peer-to-peer counseling is a growing resource for those in need in today's special assignment.
Every challenge in life, every journey always begins with that first step.
People think they're alone in it because they haven't met other people openly talking about mental health.
Yasmin Flasserstein is talking about a victim of traumatic circumstance herself. Then, as a psychology student at UCF, she worked with survivors of the Pulse nightclub attack.
And what we found in working with, those that were impacted were predominantly Latinx, Black, LGBTQ plus individuals, was that there was a large distrust of the mental health system. And even though we were providing free counseling, a lot of people were just naturally turning to one another.
And there began a new focus. 2 years ago, Flasserstein co-founded Peer Support Space, a new startup focused on providing free mental health counseling in a peer-to-peer setting.
So we create spaces where people can meet others with shared lived experience. We have resources for all communities, but we focus on communities that disproportionately fall through the cracks of our mental health system.
Peer specialists are certified by the state, but perhaps more importantly, they've also taken similar journeys as those they're helping. Flasserstein says the grassroots nonprofit has grown during the pandemic to now serving more than 8,000 people in 10 states and 8 countries.
Affordability is a huge issue when it comes to accessing mental health services.
Flasserstein says peer-to-peer style therapy can provide those with minimal means the chance to find some level of care at their own level of comfort, creating in safe spaces the conversation to get one's journey started.
I think sometimes it's as simple as saying, how are you? How are you really? How are you doing? And really holding that space for people and asking really, because some people don't really get asked that often.
Greg Angel, Spectrum News.